Hey team, Mr. Bywater here, and I'm helping you with 4.4 graphing lines in slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form looks like y equals mx plus b. Now, this equation right here is an example of slope-intercept form. It looks like y equals mx plus b. So I can figure out what my m is by looking at the equation. M is always the number that's attached to the x. So in this example here, my m, aka slope, is 1/2. Now, this other number is my b value, that number that's by itself, that number that is not attached to the x is my b, or my y-intercept. That's also my start. I start at the b. Starting at this b value, we're starting there. I'm going to start with this b value. In this case, my b value is -1. So I'm going to go to my y-axis. So my y-intercept is, and I'm starting at -1. I'm going to click right there. I'm going to put a point right there. Now, just started right there at -1. Now my slope is 1/2. Now slope, you might remember, is rise over the run. So the slope of 1/2 says I need to go up 1 over 2. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to click up 1 over 2. I started at -1, up 1 over 2. I'm going to do that again, up 1 over 2. Let's do that again, up 1 over 1, 2. I'm just going to keep on doing that. I'm going to add several points to this line. Now you can see by going up 1 over 2, I'm making a line there. Now lines, they go both directions. So let's continue this trend and go backwards so that I fill up this whole screen. Down 1, backwards 2, down 1, backwards 2, down 1, backwards 2. Boom. And there's a perfect line. Now, quick recap on positive versus negative slopes. This is a positive slope. So a quick check that I can do to make sure I didn't make a mistake here is I need to make sure from left to right, this line goes uphill. So if I look at the left side of my screen, I'm down here at the bottom. On the right side of my screen, I'm up high. I can see that I did go uphill from left to right. So I should feel pretty good about this line. Now, there's another tool that's super cool. I could try to freehand this line, but it doesn't look very good. Let's make that look better. We can actually click on this line tool and connect that far left point and the far right point. And if I did this correctly, every single one of those points should lie on that line, which I can see that I did here. So anyway, scholars, that's how you graph a line in slope-intercept form. Thanks for playing.